This is a quick keyboard replacement on an Acer Aspire 7739Z laptop. They're actually really simple to do. Most keyboards are the same. This one doesn't have any screws on the bottom, so we just have to pop these little tabs off the sides here. Pocket knife works great. Find each little tab. Pry it up. There's a couple side ones as well. Keyboard comes right off really carefully. Pull that out of the way. Set the new keyboard in place. You have to make sure this slides in. It goes under just a little bit. Then just push the keyboard back down. That's it, keyboard replacement.